Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show you how to set default satellite view in Google Maps. It's very simple and easy. Now let's start. First open Google Maps on your phone. Then tap on profile picture icon. Now tap on settings. Scroll down and here you can see a option start maps in satellite view. Turn it on. If you turn it on, then when you start your maps, then you can view satellite view as default. Please note, it uses more cellular data. See here how it's look. See here, this is here. After you closing the map and open again, you can see always this view in your Google Maps. That's it for now. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you enjoy this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech videos. Thank you.